7 days of battery life, 3 color options, multiple sizes. Imagine a ring that knows more about your health than you do. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Ring, and it aims to do just that. And it's not just jewelry, it's a mini health lab on your finger. But can it really deliver on its promises? I was able to get an early look at this new wearable, and I'm breaking down everything you need to know. The Galaxy Ring was announced during today's Samsung Unpacked event, and it's the company's newest venture into the world of wearable tech. It's designed to track your fitness and sleep, all while looking like a stylish accessory. If interested, you can pre-order it right now at the link in the description below, and it'll ship on July 24th. Now, before we dive into the tech inside the ring, let's talk about what it actually looks like on your finger. After all, if you're gonna be wearing something 24/7, it better look good and feel comfortable, right? The Galaxy Ring comes in 3 colors. You've got titanium silver, titanium black, and titanium gold. The silver and black colors have a matte finish, while the gold gives you a more polished look. For me, the gold was a bit too much, so I think I'll be going with the silver model. You've got sizes ranging from 5 all the way up to 13, which is a pretty wide spread. The smallest ring weighs just 2.3 grams, while the largest is still only about 3 grams. And to put that into perspective, a penny weighs 2.5 grams. So yeah, we're talking seriously light. You can order a ring sizing kit for yourself for $10 if you're not sure of your size. And if you end up buying the Galaxy Ring, you'll get a $10 credit towards your order, essentially making the sizing kit free. The Galaxy Ring is also tougher than it looks. It's got an IP68 rating, which means it can handle being submerged in up to 1.5 meters of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. And if that's not impressive enough, it's also water resistant up to 100 meters. So whether you're doing dishes or deep sea diving, this ring can handle it all. If you want a device that tracks your health without the bulk of a smartwatch, then the Galaxy Ring might be exactly what you need, but the real test will be how well it performs. My full review will be dropping soon, so be sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Next, let's dive into the brains of the Galaxy Ring that make it feel like a health lab on your finger. Remember those sensors we talked about earlier? They're working overtime to track your heart rate, movement, and breathing. But here's where it gets interesting. Samsung isn't just throwing numbers at you. They're using all that data to calculate something called My Vitality Score. Think of it like a daily report card for your body. It measures how alert you are and gives you feedback based on your sleep, your activity, and your heart rate patterns. And get this, it even tosses in some science-based tips to help you improve. It's basically a mini health coach right on your hand. Samsung has also teamed up with Natural Cycles for fertility tracking. The ring can monitor your skin temperature at night, which is pretty useful for cycle tracking. Just remember, this is not meant for birth control. It's more like a high-tech way to understand your body better. Now let's talk about workouts. If you're like me, you've probably started a workout and forgot to let your smartwatch know that you did so. The Galaxy Ring has you covered there with auto workout detection. So it can tell when you're walking or running and actually start tracking automatically. Plus, it'll give you a heads up if your heart rate gets unusually high or low. So we've seen what the Galaxy Ring can do on its own, but its real power comes how it plays with other devices. So first things first, if you want to use the Galaxy Ring, you'll need a Samsung Galaxy smartphone running Android 11 or newer. Sorry iPhone users, you're out of luck here for now. Samsung does have plans to allow the Ring to work with other Android smartphones, but there is a catch. Whatever phone you use, you'll need to have at least 1.5 gigs of RAM. Most modern phones clear this bar incredibly easily, but it's still worth checking out if you have an older model. Now here's where things get interesting. The Ring doesn't just work on its own. It's deeply integrated with Samsung Health, and you'll need version 6.27 or later to get the full experience. This app is where all your health data comes together, creating a complete picture of your well-being. Another cool ecosystem feature on the Galaxy Ring is gestures. This lets you do things like control the camera or dismiss alarms using just the Ring. I didn't get to try this out myself yet, but I do love seeing that kind of integration. So is the Galaxy Ring a game changer or just another shiny tech toy? Let's break it down. This tiny ring packs some impressive tech. It tracks your health 24/7 without the bulk of a smartwatch. The seamless Samsung ecosystem integration is a big plus for Galaxy users, but there are some catches. You'll need a recent Samsung phone to get started, and again, iOS users are left out for now. The real test will come when it hits stores. Pre-orders are live right now, and again, the link is down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself, and the full release comes on July 24th. You can pick it up for $399.99. It's not cheap, but it is in line with the price of other high-end wearables, and at least there is no monthly subscription like we have seen with rings like Aura. Let me know if you're picking one up or if you have any questions about the Ring, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Webbers, and I will catch you in the next video.